Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Today's topic is Keep Smiling. May I now welcome Sister Amalor Pavameri to recite today's poetry. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our Creative Writers team. It's my pleasure to read all the creations of Creative Writers team, and the topic is Keep Smiling. Our first poet is Mrs. Bhavya Sri Krishna. Keep smiling. Smiling is the fantastic thing. You know about it? If you smile, the whole day will be smiling. We don't smile, the day will not smile. Make it a habit, smile. It creates lot of friendship and lot of happiness. Life is full of ups and downs. When you are in depression, stress, sadness, failures, hopeless, don't worry about anything that happens in life. Go ahead with a smile. A warm smile is the language of kindness. Never regret anything that made you smile. A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. A smile is the best makeup anyone can wear. Be the ones who make others happy. Life is like a mirror. Smile at it and it smiles back at you. Life is very short. Don't forget to smile. Keep going and always keep smiling. Our next poet is Mr. Arun Prasad. Keep smiling. Even when you have no penny, your smile will be the money. To share with your friends is gunny, making you a honey. When you are on duty, smile will make your work beauty. Smile at a poor, it will be a treasure, which God will measure and reward you when you are under pressure. Smile at your enemy, which will be a glory, and make your enemy lose his envy, and will bring heavenly harmony. Smile at age, and deliver relief from the feel of being caged. By their blessings and prayers, you will be gauged, and accordingly raised by the Almighty. Keep smiling to keep others smiling. Our next poet is Mrs. Sarala. Keep smiling. Smile is a curved line enclosing all into the sphere. Smile is the most precious jewel, valuable and strays ever to dwell. Smile is a positive ray, burns negative ray. Smile as a radiant, transforms happiness efficient. Smile without teeth is innocent, but exhibits a lot of content. Smile indicates to beautify woman, but evokes masculine feel to man, assuring security to her, be it hubby, father or brother. Enjoy smiling, watch your heart flying. Our next poet is Umadevi Arasakumar. Keep smiling. On your path, thorns will prick. Keep smiling, veiling everything for click. Numerous bloods we have lost. Keep smiling for souls alive. Swallow the worst. River of tears we have shed. Keep smiling to earn our daily bread. Needs and needies have increased. Keep smiling by sharing without creed. Here no human is without pain. Keep smiling to give positivity in others' vein. Our next poet is Mrs. Saranya. Keep smiling. When gentle wind touches the leaves of a tree, it smiles by waving here and there, even though it smiles when one cut down it. Wave smiles by raising and reaching the shore. Sometimes faces rocks as their barricades, but with smiles try to cross the rock by keep on splashing on it to make a smile. O human, follow through the nature. Whenever facing hurdles, just smile enough to make you strong. That smile rinses all your worries, so stay with bliss with God's bless. Our next part is Mrs. Springsteen Joan. Keep smiling. Hi baby, your smile speaks with me many volumes. Unadulterated love pampers and nurtures, worth more than anything in the world's talk. Keeps me to feel euphoric and energetic. Spark of flames it ignites. Ecstasy of soul it reflects. Positive vibes of your innocence soothes my mood when it swings. In the portraits or at mother's arms, your smile delights all my thoughts. When you bounce or stumble down, with smiles and giggles you move on. Unaware of the glossary of envy and revenge, you live at the moment and cherish. Without any masks you are glowing. Wish to be like you and love to keep smiling. Our next poet is Mrs. Jansi Rani. Keep smiling. A bit of smile is my happiness. A bit of smile is my sorrow. A bit of smile is my dream. A bit of smile is my life. So keep smiling as it sets you free, makes you special, increases your face value, lifts your spirits, erases all your tensions. Keep smiling and smiling and smiling. Our next poet is Sister Amalorpava Mary. Keep smiling. A good medicine for man, a good treat for depression. Man forgets worries, the heartache flies away. Smiling lips are the beauty, laughter is development of thought. Laughing flowers are a testament, life falls apart if you don't laugh. Man is an animal if he doesn't laugh. Laugh is the bond of friendship. Laughter is the medicine to live with health. Our next poet is Mrs. Alice. Keep smiling. Keep smiling to be peaceful. Enjoy life ever joyful. Eradicate pessimism, be optimistic. Perils disappear, smile majestic. Smile happily, keeps pretty ever. Many tasks, favors in God's power. Initiate your day and smile shower. Lovely days ahead, keep smiling. Interesting events yet alarming. Never brother fire burning. Go ahead with a smile shining.
Our next poet is Mrs. M. V. Shankari.
A small upward curve serves hopes to the crowd. A smile is very contagious. Wear that on your face to make you look ageless. Smile away the worries to keep you at ease. Snick at those annoying creatures so that their action doesn't change our nature. A forced smile at the tough circumstance where lips display magnanimity, eyes beams with enmity. A wow smile appears at times of surprises, a flirtatious smile to make you glamorous, a wholehearted smile to that only special individual who turns your life into a miracle. A smile an elegant creation of face with which you chase the hardships. A smile tells your mood, now it's difficult to find as it plays hide and seek under the mask. Our next poet is Mrs. Kavita. Keep smiling. Smile it costs nothing. Help it means everything. A good smile is the best investment to win any lovable hearts. Keep smiling at your problems or failures to get clear view of its depth. Smiling is the best medicine for mental and physical ailments. Promote laughing therapy to inherit pleasant surroundings. Smile is the best way to conclude any commotion. It is the precious jewel one can wear to appeal anyone. The smile of a baby attracts everyone. The smile of an grandparent shows their experience. Smile and make others smile. Smile would cut short miles of different opinions. Let every morning bloom with your positive smile. And let all evening conclude with success smile. Smile to look ever charming. Smile an easy key to open any heart. Smile would make you look young. Smile will shower you a happy long life. Keep smiling. Our next poet is Mrs. Erin. Keep smiling. When obstacle obstruct the path and pressing times press you flat, start and keep smiling as the wiser ones quote. None of your wailings will ever rid you of your troubles, mate. When the fool foe gives you tougher times often and waters you with spurious, sorrowful greeting, remember he is waiting to see you broken. Punish him by your smile. Oh, ye, smile, keep smiling. When you actually encounter all the injustice, hit vigorously, yearned for the sole aim of injuring. Keep smiling and keep on smiling. Nothing reaches you until or unless you choose to receive it. Our next poet is Janaki. Smile, a symbol of people's positive emotion. Just a few drops of water when laughter is an ocean. Elicits happy, excitement, peace only by lips motion. An exercise helps to lips and eyes connection. Smiling guides to lead our life in peace. One of the customs to welcome guests, it's nice. Smiling in between fight leads to calm. Sure, keeping smile in the mind makes the soul pure. Human life is mixed with woe and mourning. Whatever happens, have courage to keep smiling. Smile is a way of showing mutual understanding. Keep smiling and be a reason for others smiling. Our next poet is Mrs. Shamla. Keep smiling. I smile not to please you. I smile not to tempt you. I smile not to tease you. I smile not to defeat you. I smile to appreciate you. I smile to encourage you. I smile to elevate you. I smile to empower you. Let's smile to keep us healthy. Let's smile to wipe out our foes. Let's smile to live without force. Let's smile to lead the life happily. Keep smiling to taste the beautiful life. Keep smiling to bind everyone's son's strife. Keep smiling to live without vice. Keep smiling to postpone our demise. Our next poet is Apurav Devagan. If the road is rough, don't give up. Still move ahead because on the other side, success is waiting for you. If you keep striving, your dreams will come true. Don't share your tears with one and all because to your dear ones you don't need to show. Your pain and joy they already know. Most of the people on your back laugh at you as they believe your dreams can never become true. So don't pay attention to what people say and once in a while look into the mirror and smile. Our next poet is Mrs. Gayatri. Keep smiling. Life is all about the ups and downs happen a while. The good and bad times occur like a dice. The peaks and valleys are not alike. Tears or laughter we comprise. Life is all about moving. With a smile, accept everything as a trial. Smiling helps you live longer, so keep smiling forever. Our next poet is Anuradha. Keep smiling. When someone deterred you from the deed, never give up the spirit until it shapes your need with all the goodness in it. When situation becomes more worse, with all things in life has given up, with a heart rendering worse, shatter the troubles in a snap. The shattering and goodness should be done with loneliness, with all the brightness, with your smiling curve on face. Our next poet is Mrs. Mary Suresh. Keep smiling. Keep smiling to look happy, oh my dear soul. Set default smile on your face. Feed your face on smile as you are a traveler. Be a good admirer. Give a better company to the passengers. Give your best intimacy those who sit next to you. Enjoy the whole journey so that easily, interestingly, you can keep moving. As a traveler, passing in the ultimate goal to live a little while. Though happy or sad, smile a little, oh my dear soul. Our next poet is Mrs. Gomadi. Keep smiling. Dear kids and kins, always keep smiling. Whatever keeps you troubling, it is the only best expression and creates a good impression. It always keeps us happy and healthier. Our times of distress makes us feel better. Sometimes it is our stress reliever and a good relationship developer. Induces in us thoughts of positivity, helps us not to give way to enmity. It modifies our melancholic mood, keeps us ever in good mood. Let's be smart and clever, keep on smiling forever. For smiling is the only tool which keeps us always cool. Our next poet is Sumati. Keep smiling. I smiled yesterday, smiling today. Why smile tomorrow? As smile is a free therapy. A good-natured smile can work wonders and accomplish miracles. Begin every new beginning with a deep breath and a smile. Smiling is the best way to face every problem, to crush out fear, to hide each and every pain. Rumi's famous quote says, whatever happens, just keep smiling. Lose yourself in love, always be the reason behind someone's smile. Our next poet is Uma Selvi. Keep smiling. Wear a smile when you are glad. Wear a smile when you are sad. Wear a smile when you are mad. Wear a smile to brighten your day. Wear a smile throughout your way. Cause smile is the only ornament that could make your life shine. Our next poet is Mrs. Lakshmi. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep on smiling. Cause smiling is the universal sign of happiness and the best beauty remedies. At tough times, it brightening the mind. It is the ultimate connection between all humankind. Keep smiling, keep on smiling. Cause it's the best way of spreading happiness. Also overcomes fear and nervousness. Helps to convey our love for others. Smile also create the special life moments. Keep smiling, keep on smiling. Cause smiling is like a virus. It also spread to others and so it's infectious. Surely it will give you a feeling of happiness and fades away all emotional aches and pains. Keep smiling, keep on smiling. Smiling is the greatest gift to share without selfishness. It's a simple act of kindness, gives intense enjoyment and also erases loneliness. Thus, when you share smile, you share happiness. Keep smiling, keep on smiling. Smiling trigger the happy chemicals. That's the endorphin, the best painkillers. Thus, it cuts through all barriers. Moreover, smile make you to look so younger. Let's keep smiling and keeps on smiling and erase all your fears and tears. Our next poet is Nirmala Nagarajan. Keep smiling. Smile is a blessing that acts like a magician, a special gift granted exclusively for human, an all-time healer, even at times of dejection. It brings a tremendous transformation. Never do smile to mock at our fellow human beings. Never bring a smile that's deceitful to others. But a smile can change all the enmity. It has the power to put an end to all the negativity. The smile of a child removes our worries. The smile of a friend forever energizes. The smile of our dear ones calm down our discomforts, and when we smile, the entire world changes. Our next poet is Pia Kalyani. Keep smiling. After a whole day hard work spreading its heat all over, sun slowly cooling itself in dawn, leaving its smile all over. After a month of strain succeeds in brightening the dark sky, spreading cool warm light with its favorite smile on its way. Vapor travels long flying high, imprisoned by the clouds. After a sound fight, fell down as smiling raindrops, buried deep in the sand, find difficult in breathing, troubles a lot, and come out sprouting with a pale green smile on the spot. After a 10 months of hiding in mother's womb, giving heavy pain baby comes out to see this wonderful world, producing great smiles in mother's face and also in those around. Every hardship produces smile. Some may be the producer, some may be the pleasant receiver. Smile a great gift for human with which we measure one's mood. Keep smiling, it brings our blessings and shines good. Our next poet is Mrs. Manimehalai. Keep smiling. Smile is a fabulous armor. It conceals intense grief. Smile defeats guileful personalities. But if smile retains everyone happy around us, then what more could we want than that? Smile is our possession. Give it without any blemish. Certainly, it is a healer for our favorites. Harmless smile even turns the enemy into a friend. Meaningful smile acts as an allurement. Smile is a great boon. It makes our face like moon. We should not be ready to let it go. We should keep our smile modestly.
Many thanks to Sister Amalur Pomeri for reciting all the poems in a fantastic manner with ups and downs, stress and rhythm. And hearty congratulations for all the poets of creative writers. Keep pinning, keep shining.